In this video, I will show you how to get and download your bank statement from Standard Chartered Bank using their online banking platform. Go to the Standard Chartered online banking website, enter your username and password to log into your account securely. Once logged in, click on Accounts or Account Services, then select E-Statements and E-Advices. For the most recent statement, click on View Statement Online to see it on your screen. To download it, select Download PDF or View PDF and save it to your device. If you need an older statement, click on View Historical e-statements. Choose the desired month and year from the list, then click the PDF link to download the statement. And that's how you can view or download your Standard Chartered Bank statement in just a few steps. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.